Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're just going to be doing a simple eye look using a new product that I picked up in the Sephora mini section for $25. So I was browsing the Sephora website and I picked up the Nars Narscissist Wanted mini eyeshadow palette. This was $25. So I just wanted to do a quick look with it with you guys, just have something up in case something happens and I can't film, that this will be pre-recorded and we will be able to do, you know, a look together. If I can ever get this open. You know, I always struggle. And like I said, I've been struggling at home, things going on at home that are really tough for me right now. So it comes so cute, little baby one, perfect for travel. It's got the really nice, you know, packaging. This is sort of very soft packaging, as Nars packaging is. It comes with a little mirror and it comes with all these fun shades. So we got a transition here, a matte here, and the rest are shimmers. So let's go ahead and do a little eye look with this. I'm super excited. I've already primed my eyes and did all the rest of my makeup using the Coty Airspun new highlights. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm just going to take the smallest shade right here and just pack that right onto my transition and crease area. The shade, to be honest, is not much more pigmented than my actual skin color or reference. To be quite candid, I'm going in with my Hoola Mini bronzer, and I'm just going to take that on a Morphe M433, and I'm going to put that into my crease and sort of roll it up toward the brow bone, just to have some sort of dimension. So I guess this would not be ideal for travel, since I personally cannot create a look using just those shades. I need a bronzer shade or a darker, you know, matte shade to actually put something in my crease and be satisfied with that. So just keep that in mind. But there are really very amazing shimmers in there, so we're going to test some of those out today. Just put a little bronzer in the crease really quick. Then moving back into this little palette, I'm going to be taking the darkest shade in there, which is this dark brown on my Sigma E25. I'm just placing that color, patting, 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 as always with any dark color, and then we're going to drag it inward. It's a very nice color. Yes, indeed. So I want to use this copper shade and this lighter shade here. This is more foiled and this is like a straight shimmer. These are like packed glitters and these are shimmers. So I'm going to take my pinky finger and just apply this. Let's just say to the inner half. If you guys can see that, that's beautiful. So gorgeous. Nars has the best eyeshadows. Let me know if you guys still want me to do a look using the Huda Beauty Smoky Obsessions palette. I'd be happy to do that for you. So then going in with the same finger, I just use a makeup remover wipe. I'm going to take this shade right here and pop that on the inner third. It's stunning. Oh my gosh. Look at that, guys. It's so beautiful and pigmented. Hope you don't mind my fan going in the back. It's so hot in the basement right now. Love how this is turning out. Super, super gorgeous. I'm going to take the Sigma E20 that I have and take the darkest shade down here and run it along the lower lash line from inner to outer corner. I stop actually right about here, leaving the inner 1/3 open for a reason. I will show you in just a second. So then I'm going to take my Beige Cosmetic pencil brush and use that same beautiful shade as my inner corner highlight. And I'm going to attach it to that inner third to really brighten that area. So gorgeous. Then I'm going to apply that to the arch of my brow bone. I'm happy with that, and I'm going to go put on some liner, the Benefit Roller Liner, my Nakia Joy Victoria lashes, and I will be right back. I decided against lashes, and I went in with this new Dior Show mascara, and it gives me heaps and heaps of volume and length, and I decided I didn't need false lashes, so I lined my lips with the NYX nude liner. I filled them all in, and then I topped it with the Fenty Beauty Fussy lip gloss, and this is the final look. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe at the end. It is free. Turn on the notifications, otherwise YouTube will not notify you each and every time I upload, which is almost daily. Follow me on Instagram at AshleyLamora26 as I do mini giveaways over there, and you will be notified every single day of my uploads. I love you all. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.